Morning students. In previous class, what have we learned? Classification of equilibrium or classification of chemical equilibrium. So there are two types of chemical equilibrium. One is homogeneous, second one is heterogeneous. Homo means all phases are in same. Hetero means all phases are in different. That is, reactant and products having different phases, liquids, gases, aqueous, like this. Homo means all are gaseous phase, that is a reactant and products. So like this. And the very important in heterogeneous equilibrium, pure liquids and pure solids, the concentration is always unity, or partial pressure is always unity. That is very important. That is means the molar concentration of solid, okay, or molar concentration of liquid is always taken as 1 whenever we write equilibrium constant expression. So now we will discuss about new topic, that is equilibrium constant units. So now we will write equilibrium constant expression. For example, equilibrium constant for dilute solution, write the equilibrium constant expression, that is concentration of product rising to their stoichiometric coefficients, and next one is molar concentration of product, that is D. Next, concentration of reactants. This is the equilibrium constant expression. Now we will find the equilibrium constant units. For example, concentration, it is represented or it is expressed in mole per liter. So now Kc equals mole per liter, and C plus D we can write C plus D minus A plus B. So C plus D or product number of moles, of total number of moles of products. A plus B, total number of moles of reactants. So now we can write mole per liter delta N. So that is expression for Kc. So now Kc or Kp. If the Kp same as it is a bar delta N, power of delta N. Okay, so now the units for the Kc and Kp. So Kc and Kp may have or may not have any units. That is depending upon the delta N value. That is depending upon the delta N value. Okay, so generally, so delta N having a 0 in the positive value and the negative value. So depending upon the reaction coefficients. Okay, so now let's see one reaction is given, that is hydrogen is reacted with iodine to form 2 moles of hydrogen iodide. First of all, we find the delta N. What is the delta N? number of moles of products, that is a 2, minus number of moles of reactant, hydrogen having a 1 mole and the iodine having a plus 1 mole. Okay, so now derive the value. So 2 minus 1 plus 1, 2 equal to 0. So how much the delta N is? 0. That's why, so for this reaction, Kc value, sorry, Kc units or Kp units we cannot express. That means no units. So depending upon the reactions, the units of Kp or Kc we can express depending upon the reaction. Okay, if delta N is equal to 0, what happened? Kc and Kp, no units. Another reaction, dinitrogen tetraoxide is equilibrium with nitrogen dioxide. So now first of all find out the delta N value. Okay, so how much the moles, number of moles of products is at 2, minus, so number of moles of reactant, how many? There is nothing here that indicated that 1. Okay, so now delta N is equal to is a plus 1. That means positive, delta N value positive, and the value is 1, numerical value is 1. So now we can write the Kp or Kc value. So now Kc value or Kc units, so delta N not equal to 0, that indication that Kc equilibrium constant has units. Okay, so now that is mole for liter. And the Kp units bar or Pascal. Next, another reaction, N2, 3 moles of hydrogen form 2 moles of ammonia. So now find out the delta N value. Is very important. Find out the delta N value. So products, how many? 2. Reactants minus reactants, total number of moles of reactants, that is 1 plus 3. So 1 plus 3. So here 1 minus 4. So delta N value is a negative. How much the value? 2. So now determine Kc units. So Kc here. So generally positive means mole for liter, but the indication is negative means liter for mole. Okay, that is liter for mole. Okay, but here how much the value? 2. That's why we indicate liter square and so mole per mole square. Okay, this is Kc units, and the Kp units atmosphere, sorry, or bar power minus 2. Okay, this is kp units. If delta n equal to -3, that indication that equilibrium constant units liter power 3 or mole power -3 and the bar power -3. Here is also 4 liter per 4 and the mole power of -4 and the bar power of -4, like this. Okay, so in this way we can express the equilibrium constant units, either Kc or Kp, so depending upon the reaction coefficients, that is delta n value. So now next topic is important characteristic of equilibrium constant, that is K. So first point, when the reactants and product concentration will attain constant value at equilibrium, we can write equilibrium constant expression, that is so we can write the in graph. So whenever a chemical reaction will attain a chemical equilibrium state, okay, here, so when a chemical reaction reach equilibrium state, the both rate of forward reaction is exactly equal to rate of backward reaction, as well as the concentration of products and reactants remain constant. At that situation, the chemical reaction will attain chemical equilibrium. At that time, we can write equilibrium constant expression. Okay, that is the meaning of first characteristics. So according to graph, so this is a product concentration and the reactant concentration gradually decreases whenever time will progress. So this is a reactant concentration, it is a product concentration. Okay, at a certain time the product concentration is always constant, as well as the reactant concentration also always constant. So this is a concentration of, it is a time will progress. So this situation we can say that the chemical reaction will attain equilibrium. So at this situation we can write equilibrium constant expression. Okay, that is the meaning of first characteristics. So next, second and third we combine to say that the equilibrium constant is independent on initial concentration and dependent on temperature, is very is very important. And dependent is very important. What is the equilibrium constant value? The equilibrium constant value is independent on initial concentration but dependent on temperature. So this is number of time. This question given number of times in exam. What is the question here? Equilibrium constant value is depending upon the option A initial concentration, option B pressure, option C concentration, Option D, temperature. So the correct answer is temperature is very important, and it was given in number of exams. And the third important characteristics. Okay, so third important, best example, third important. So next, important characteristics of equilibrium constant. The equilibrium constant for backward reaction is equal to the inverse of the equilibrium constant for the forward reaction. So now it can explain. If a chemical reaction equation, that is A is converted into, or A is equilibrium with B. So this chemical reaction equation having a equilibrium constant. Whenever if the reaction is reverse, this reaction is reverse. That means the B is convert equilibrium with A. So now this new equilibrium constant, for example, we can say K1. This new equilibrium constant is inverse of the equilibrium constant for the forward reaction. Okay, that can explain. The equilibrium constant for backward reaction, the equilibrium constant for the backward or reverse reaction is exactly equal to inverse of the equilibrium constant for the forward reaction. It is a equilibrium constant for the forward reaction, but it is inverse. It is exactly equal to inverse. Okay, understand here. Equilibrium constant for the backward reaction is exactly equal to inverse of the equilibrium constant for the forward reaction. Okay, forward reaction equilibrium constant. Or so now at equilibrium, next point, at equilibrium, when the chemical reaction equation is multiplied or divided by a small integer, that is n, then the new equilibrium constant must be raised to the power equal to the small integer. Once again repeated. At equilibrium, when the chemical reaction equation is multiplied or divided by a small integer, then the new equilibrium constant must be raised to the power equal to the small integer. So now explain. For example, a chemical reaction equation. It is a chemical reaction equation. First, it is multiplied by n. It is multiplied by n. So having a new equilibrium constant, then the new equilibrium constant is exactly equal to the equilibrium constant must be raised to the power equal to small integer. Okay, whenever it is multiplied with small integer, then the new equilibrium constant is exactly equal to the equilibrium constant power raised to the small integer whenever it is multiplied by n. If that chemical reaction equation is divided by 1 by n, then the new equilibrium constant is exactly equal to equilibrium constant for the forward reaction, and how much the divided by here 1 by n, divided by n, here is also the power of 1 by n is exactly equal to the rising power 1 by n, because here divided by 1 by n or divided by n. Let's take another examples. For example, the reaction is multiplied here. Okay, chemical reaction. So now the equilibrium constant, the new equilibrium constant here, Kc all to the power of 2. Next, half. So this is this equilibrium constant reaction Kc. Kc is this equilibrium constant, but the new equilibrium after they multiplied by the 2, we can obtain the new equilibrium constant. This is new equilibrium constant, power of half. So these are the important characteristics of equilibrium constant. So first one is equilibrium constant expression. We can write equilibrium constant expression whenever the chemical reaction is reached at equilibrium. And second one is equilibrium constant value is independent on initial concentration but dependent on temperature. Next, equilibrium constant. The new equilibrium constant for the reverse reaction is inverse of the equilibrium constant for the forward reaction. So whenever a chemical reaction equation is multiplied by a simple integer, then the new equilibrium constant is exactly equal to the equilibrium constant power of n. Next, if a chemical reaction is divided by simple integer, then the new equilibrium constant is exactly equal to equilibrium constant and the power of 1 by n. If a chemical reaction is multiplied by 2, then the new equilibrium constant is exactly equal to equilibrium constant for the forward reaction power of 2. If the reaction is divided by 2, then the new equilibrium constant is exactly equal to equilibrium constant for the forward reaction and the power of half, exactly equal to. Take a screenshot. First point, second point, third point. Fourth point and fifth point and the examples. Next topic is very important. Applications of equilibrium constant. So first application is predict the extent of reaction. That is, it can explain, equilibrium constant can explain the reaction extent. Second one is it can explain the reaction direction. The reaction direction. Direction means it will favored for the forward reaction or backward reaction, or it is it will proceed in the direction, in which direction, that is left to right or right to left. That can explain by the equilibrium constant. The last one is calculation of the equilibrium concentrations. How to calculate the equilibrium concentrations from initial concentration. That is also one of the application of equilibrium constant. So three applications are there, is very important. First one is extent of reaction. We can determine by the using of equilibrium constant value, and the reaction direction also we can explain by the using of equilibrium constant value, and the equilibrium calculated at equilibrium, the concentration, calculated the concentration at equilibrium, we can determine the equilibrium constant value. That is the third application. So first one is predict the reaction extent. Okay, so it is depending upon the value of equilibrium constant. Okay, for example, Kc or Kp value. What is the equilibrium constant expression? The concentration of product is divided by concentration of reactants. But it is very important, we can express the equilibrium constant for a reaction whenever the reaction is at equilibrium only. Okay, so now if Kc value so first point, so now we can see that at equilibrium, if Kc value is high, that means Kc value is greater than 10 to the power of 3. That means Kc value is greater than 1000. Then the reaction will proceed nearly to completion, or the reaction will favor forward reaction, and it is also called the reaction, the forward reaction. The forward reaction will proceed great extent. Okay, so here there are three examples are given. So hydrogen, 2 moles of hydrogen is reacted with 1 mole of oxygen to form 2 moles of water molecules at given temperature is very important. As the temperature will change, the reaction composition also changes, because equilibrium constant is depending upon the temperature. So how much is the equilibrium constant for this reaction? 2.4 into 10 to the power of 47. That indicated that this reaction having a very high equilibrium constant value. So that will indicate that the reaction will proceed nearly to completion, or the equilibrium position will lie at left to right, or the forward reaction will favored. Next, another Example, formation of hydrochloric acid. Hydrogen is reacted with chlorine gas to form a 2 moles of hydrochloric acid at given temperature 300 Kelvin. How much the equilibrium constant value? It is also high equilibrium constant value. That's why this will reaction also nearly to completion. And the forward reaction will proceed great extent. The last one is hydrogen is reacted with bromine to form a hydrogen bromide at 300 Kelvin. How much is the equilibrium constant? It is also very high equilibrium constant value. So that will indicate the forward reaction is favored, or the reaction will proceed nearly to completion. Next, and in all this reaction the product concentration is high comparing with the reactant concentration is very, very important. Whenever the equilibrium constant value is very high. Next, at equilibrium, if the equilibrium constant value is very low, that means it is less than 10 to the power of minus 3. 10 to the power of minus 3. 10 to the power of minus 3 means here the product concentration is less comparing with the reactant concentration. For example, it is a product concentration, reactant concentration. Which concentration is high? Reactant concentration is high comparing with the product concentration. Here is also Kc greater than Kc value is greater than 1000 means Kc equal to 1000 divided by 1. Here the product concentration is greater than the reactant concentration, in which whenever the equilibrium constant Kc value is greater than 1000. If Kc value is less than 10 to the power of minus 3, it is very, very low. Here the product concentration is less comparing with the reactant concentration. At this situation, what happens here? If the Kc value is low, the reaction will proceed rarely to completion. That means the reaction will favor backward reaction, or the backward reaction is favored. So some examples are there. That is a dissociation of water into hydrogen. Dissociation of water, best example, at given temperature. How much the temperature? 500 Kelvin. The Kc value is 4.1 in 10 to the power of minus 48 is very, very less value of equilibrium constant value. So this is the backward reaction is favored. So this reaction is favored comparing with the forward reaction. So sometimes indicated like this. Backward reaction is favored comparing with the forward reaction. So here is also forward reaction is favored, indication that forward reaction is favored comparing with the backward reaction. So here The forward reaction will proceed small extent. The nitrogen is reacted with oxygen to form nitrogen monoxide at a given temperature 298 Kelvin. Here is also Kc value is very small value. If the Kc value is small, that indication the reaction will proceed rarely, or the backward reaction is favored, or forward reaction will proceed to small extent. So we can express in number of ways. Okay. And the last one is at equilibrium, the product concentration is exactly equal. The product concentration is exactly equal to reactant concentration, or the Kc value is between the 10 to the power of minus 3 to 10 to the power of 3. The reaction will be at equilibrium. That indication that at this situation the equilibrium mixture having both reactants as well as the products. So best example for hydrogen is reacted with iodine to form a hydrogen iodide 2 moles of at given temperature 700 Kelvin. How much the value? 57. Kc value is 57. It neither high nor low. Next, dinitrogen tetraoxide is equilibrium with 2 moles of nitrogen monoxide. It is also Kc value neither small nor large. The equilibrium mixture containing the both reactant as well as products. So in this way we can say that the extent of a reaction depending upon the equilibrium constant value.